Wow, look at the snow. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's almost as tall as a step. Wow. Oh my god. It's like a blizzard out here. Let's go see a deep. Oh my god. Look at the plants. Oh my god. This is so windy. Oh my god, snow. Oh wow, guys, it's really deep. The snow's really deep. The snow's really deep today, guys. It's a blizzard. Wow. It's really a blizzard, huh? Okay, I'm gonna... Wow, look at that. Hey guys! Oh my god! Never really said it gets true. Well, it really is a lizard, huh? Wow, it's not a lot. Oh wow. There's the frog. As you can see, Mr. Flag is blowing in the wind. Because it's a blizzard. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, it's a blizzard. Oh wow! It's an actual blizzard now. Oh my gosh! It's not looking a lot. I was gonna picture of that too. There goes the Pilmer Fleece. There goes the snowplow. There goes the snowplow, guys. my gosh. It's really snowing. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Listen, tell her, I know her. Oh, God. Oh, my God. All right, I'm going outside. I can't take this anymore. Fully. Man, it's like a blizzard outside, Mario. Oh my God, are you kidding me? It's snowing like so much. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to show all that snow. Oh my God, don't feed the snow. Don't feed the snow. I don't want to stop snowing. It was snowing since yesterday. Let's play. Oh, ow, ow, in my back. Oh my God, I hate snow. I just want snow. I can't take snow. Oh no. I got the rain. Oh. Whoa, my God. It's just. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's not snow. Come in. All yours. Oh my God. There's so much snow. There's so much snow. I'm gonna have to shovel all that snow. I'm never gonna have to shovel all that snow. Oh my God. I shovel all that snow. What am I gonna do? I need to shovel all that snow. Listen. Ow! Ow! Oh. Ah! Oh no. I got hurry. Wow. Usually I just watching Charlie, but oh my God! I'm gonna taste the snow. It's windy. Where the flag go? Oh no. Oh God. Oh no. Ah! Dude, all my days. Wow. Oh my God. I need to eat. I eat in days.